My name is Mercedes. This is my 1981 Ford Fairmont coupe. It's Ella swapped with a 76mm turbo. It's really a basic setup. It just 6-liter LS, Chinese turbo. I would say the most unique thing about the car is the fact that it's in this car. But yeah, turbo 400 transmission. It runs on a Holley Terminator, and yeah, that's just about it. I'll give you a rundown. All right. So you want to grab these two straps. You make the center. Yep.
Bring it over.
The other one too. There you go. And then you have this one.
1 minute later.
Kind of like this.
Yep. Push it down.
Oh, dang.
Complicated for no reason.
Do you care how much horsepower people think or know it makes, or
nah,
try to keep on a down low, or
it makes? It's never been on a dyno, but it makes right around 750.
Okay.
Maybe 800 on a good day. I can turn it up more, but I think the stock bottom end's pretty much maxed out.
I bet people are always just like, whoa,
staring, but I love it though, you know?
Kind of like, what is he?
That's the main question I get. What is this thing?
You probably got that a lot at that meet this morning, huh?
Yeah.
From the people that don't know. So what is it like dropping something like this every day? Or not, I guess as often as you do.
It's definitely unique. It weighs right around 2,900 pounds. So you feel the power, like, especially with these seats, you feel it. Like, it's a fun car to have. It definitely has like its own set of issues, but that's to be expected when you do something like this.
Yeah. I wouldn't even call it a race car. You call it a street car, because it is a street car.
It's a street car. I hate when people say, "Man, that thing's a great." No.
You're like, it's a street car.
I can sit in traffic and not worry about anything for the most part.
Yeah.
I can drive this thing anywhere. It's awesome.
Like I said, I appreciate him doing this, because first time being in something like this, I'll be honest.
This is the first like ride reaction I've ever done with like video and stuff. So
okay.
I gotta
I got you.
It's freaking awesome.
You and your dad put this together?
Okay, so basically we had it done by a shop in Houston. Because he's our family friend, like we're really close with him.
Okay.
So they really hooked us up. They really hooked us up. We built the car. We kind of had a vision for it for the most part.
Bless you.
But yeah, we built the car. It was built by Case Racing down in Houston. So that's kind of. I wish I could say that me and my dad wrenched on it ourselves. It goes small, but we didn't.
Hey, if I do something, he's probably gonna go to a shop.
Yeah.
Just because of how busy I am at times.
Yeah, that's the problem was that we're not. It's not that we can't do it. It's just that, dude, it's very time consuming.
Yeah.
As any car person would know.
Yeah.
And he works all the time. I'm working all the time. That's kind of just like,
Make the most sense.
It would just take years for us to put it together.
Yeah. It's actually a smooth ride.
Yeah, surprisingly.
You probably get that reaction from a lot of people, huh?
Yeah. I think it's going to be really rough because, I mean, it looks like a drag car.
Yeah.
Sounds like one, but it rides pretty decent.
As I say, it's actually a smooth ride. As you can see, we're strapped in, getting ready to go for this ride along review, getting some gas, and then it's Audi. Quick little ride to Mexico. weren't playing.
Huh?
You weren't playing.
No, I mean, I gotta get a lower goal.
A lower?
Yeah. That was kind of high. I didn't want it to.
A spin?
Yeah.
You probably still were spinning, huh?
Nah, that one hooked up. I didn't go full throttle.
Wait, what?
Nah.
It felt like it. That's down on power. I think when I get a car, 500 to 600 is gonna be nice. If that's down on power. Oh, there.
And the cars are out today, man.
Yeah. There goes a $100,000 car. One thing I've noticed, this car turns a lot of heads. He may not admit it, but everywhere we've gone, this car has turned heads. Like people are just staring. But yeah, I think you should leave it exactly how it is. Just leave it.
Now, Dad, if you see this video, that is a person that has said I should leave the car exactly how it is. Just so you know. Because my dad's like, oh, he's from Ohio. He's one of those guys, old school. Everything has to be perfect. He's a perfectionist. So he sees little things and he's like, yeah, you got to get rid of this. You got to get this perfect. Got to get this perfect. Got to get this perfect.
Mercedes dad, if you're watching this, leave it. It's perfect. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's perfect. Well, to me, it's perfect.